anyone seen the goodly J3's president, Dr. Warren Blake? The last we heard, he was struggling to get some votes in the Nakak presidential race, while at the same time putting his foot in his mouth. After making that statement about the J3s having the power to reject Danielle Williams' wildcard qualification for the World Championships, even if she is the Diamond League winner in the event. Well, Dr. Blake has been taking some serious beatings, not just from the general public, but some legal luminaries have challenged Dr. Blake and the J3's authority to block the wildcard winner. Poor Dr. Blake. He obviously got his wires crossed on this issue by not realizing that unless Jamaica secures the 2 wildcard spots, which are the defending champion in the event and the Diamond League winner in the event, in addition to the 3 qualifiers from the trials, or in this case, from the selection, because no more than 4 entrants can come from one country. Only then is the J3s required to make a choice between the 2 wild cards. As it is now, we don't have the defending champion in the event. So if Danielle Williams wins the Diamond League, Dr. Blake and Mr. Watts and all of them at the J3s cannot stop her from running. Dr. Blake, take your licks. Take your beating, sir. Take your beating. You get beaten on the cock, and now you get beaten at Jam Rock. Dr. Blake. Dr. Blake,